Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not loading into games on mobile iPhone. First, let's go to our settings, and from here, let's scroll down to the very bottom and select the apps. In here, we look for Roblox, tap on Roblox, and we make sure that the background app refresh is turned on like this. If it is grayed out, just click on this toggle button right here to enable it. After that, let's go back to the main settings page, scroll up, and let's go to General. In here, let's go to iPhone storage, and it will then show us a list of our apps. Let's look for Roblox again and tap on it. And we are going to offload the app by clicking on this button right here. Now, don't worry because this will not delete your data. So just go ahead and offload app once again. Once it is done, it should now say reinstall app. So click on that and Roblox will now be installed back to your phone once it is done. Once it has been reinstalled, you can then go ahead and open up your Roblox app and see if that solved your problem. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.